Hey fam, I got something special for you today. Do you know what a Scootskidoo is?
I have no idea.
A Scootskidoo is a scooter combined with a jet ski.
That's not a Scootskidoo. That's just a duck on a bike.
That duck wishes he was on a Scootskidoo. Introducing the world premiere of the Scootskidoo, only on PowaMoto.
Are you gonna come to Miami and party with us?
PowaMoto.
Motorcycle riding, stunts like you've never seen before, beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to rock.
PowaMoto.
This is Sky Champion on PowaMoto. Let's ride today for a Biketoberfest. I got the skis, we out here. Alright! He custom built himself a scooter with an outside body of a jet ski, because he's from Florida, Lakeland in the house. What is it besides looking like a ski? Like a ski?
The 150. From here back, I extended the frame to make these mounts back here.
Oh, that's a Bergman?
Yeah, that was way
Scootskidoo. I got you guys, Scootskidoo.
I gotta get that nigga back for that. It's time to go.
What you playing?
PowaMoto.
All right, my new subscriber, my boys. It's Scootskidoo. All right. Touring. Reviews. All right. All right, let's ride. Playing PowaMoto, you hear it. Pick it up, dog.
Stunts like you've never seen before.
Let me hear it.
And as I showcase the arts,
All right. Ha ha.
Hey guys, and if you like this Biketoberfest video, check out some of these other Daytona Bike Week and Biketoberfest videos. And stay tuned, get your popcorn ready, and subscribe today. PowaMoto.